So in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to make money with ClickBank and YouTube Shorts. And you're going to be surprised at how easy and effective this method is going to be. So in this video, we're going to learn everything that you need to know. What exactly are shorts? Why are they so valuable? Why are they getting so many hits? And why are they really popular and trending right now so that you can get on the train and start making money with affiliate marketing. All right, so let's get started. All right, so what are YouTube Shorts? YouTube Shorts is a way for anyone to connect with new audience using a smartphone and the Shorts camera in the YouTube app. So these are short form videos that are up to 60 seconds long with our multi-segment camera. Okay, and so you can take a look at this fact. But really, in a nutshell, all they are is short videos that you can record. They're like less than 60 seconds, sometimes even less than 30 seconds, and they are in vertical mode. So they're not in horizontal mode like typical YouTube videos, like the video you're watching right now. They are in this kind of this raw content creation mode. So somebody takes their phone, they start filming something, they just upload it to YouTube. Very, very quick and dirty, very simple, just to get things going without a lot of editing, a lot of work. And that is why they're really, really popular right now. And so if you go to YouTube and you type shorts, right? So what you want to do is you want to type # or $ shorts, and you can type plus, and you're going to see all the niches, right? It's very, very easy. You see all the main niches, the niches that exist in YouTube right there in front of you. So I'm going to type shorts plus fitness. Okay. So once I do that, this is what I have. Another thing that you can do is you can go to filters and you want to do under 4 minutes, because you're going to see other videos there that have shorts in the description or in some of the tags, and you don't want to see those videos because these are just going to be regular videos. So once you type that, you're going to see shorts, and let me show you a couple of interesting things. So while I was browsing, I saw this channel, RKN Fitness. This short, 3.8 million views 4 months ago. I opened this channel up, and what do I have? 173,000 subscribers. It has 2K views, 3.2K, 4.9K views. And you might be thinking, okay, this channel was started years ago, right? 10K views, 19K views. This channel was started years and years ago. And if you scroll down, you're going to see that the first video was 6 months ago, 474,000 views, 568,000 views, 308,000 views, 38 million views, 148,000 views, 260. So they're getting a lot of views. And that is why it's so trending right now. You wouldn't be able to build such a channel if you were just starting a regular YouTube channel, or at least it's going to be fairly hard to do that in 6 months. And so if we go to their kind of stats, and this is a page called socialblade.com, you're going to see exactly what's happening, right? First of all, you're going to see their daily average 1.3 thousand subscribers every single day. They're getting 672,000 views every single day. Okay, and this is their kind of their graph. You can kind of click around and you're gonna see some of the other stats there. But all you have to know is how many views they're getting. They're getting this views, and they're getting 1.3 thousand subs every day, 9,000 subs every week, or 40,000 subs, almost 40,000 subs every single month. So it's an insane growth. Okay, and so you can go and you can open their like a typical video. So let's say we want to open this last video, and I'm just gonna pause it real quick. And this is what the video is, 17 seconds, right? And this is what it looks like. They have, a couple of comments there. This is a brand new video, right? So they don't have that many comments there. And as you can see, it's shot in this kind of vertical format. And this is exactly what you have to do. So it's not going to be a typical horizontal video in the horizontal format like you're used to. This is in the vertical format, all right? So the first thing that you have to do when you're starting out, you have to pick a niche, okay? And it doesn't matter. I know you may be thinking, well, I want to do fitness, but I don't want to, record videos. I don't want to go to the gym. I don't want to work out. I don't want to record myself. Do not worry about all that, because I'm going to show you a method where you can essentially create shorts without putting your face in the video, without filming yourself or filming your friends or filming anything really. So essentially you can create shorts without filming any kind of live action by creating different kinds of content, which I'm going to show you in a second. But nevertheless, before you get started, you have to know the kind of niche you want to think about. So we have fitness. You can do shorts travel. right? You can do something like this, and you're gonna see travel type stuff. And you wanna do filters, right? You wanna do under 4 minutes. And so if you type shorts travel, here are shorts that have to do with traveling, right? Luxury 2.5K views. And really, when you're starting out, you want to take a look at some of the more successful channels. You don't want to look at shorts with no views, right? And I don't even know how this is a short when this is a regular size video. But this is a regular. Oh, actually, no. Once you hover over, you can see that this is a short. Indeed, it's just their thumbnail is a regular thumbnail. And if you do that, well, it has no views, so it doesn't really matter. Here's 1,000 views. Here's another one, 9.7 thousand views. St. Petersburg, Russia. And you can take a look, 1.2, 247. So you want to look at channels, and even if they're not getting 10,000 views or 5,000 views, even 2,500 views is fine. 7,500 in one day is still fairly good. You can take a look at this one and see what's going on. And so let's take a look at some of the other niches we have. We have fitness, motivation, keto, luxury, dogs. Let's see dogs. We're going to go to filters. We're going to set under 4 minutes just to filter all the other stuff away. And now we have 89 million views, 5.6, 340 million views. That's insane. 189,000 views 5 days ago. 3 million views 6 months ago. So this is a lot more popular, this dog niche, than the previous travel niche, right? You can kind of make that assumption. All right. So once you decided on a niche, you want to head over to ClickBank and you want to see what kind of offers you can pair it up. This is before you create the channel. This is before you create a video. You want to see if your niche is monetizable. Very, very important. So I'm here in ClickBank. I'm logged into my account and I went into the marketplace. So if I scroll down, I have different categories. Let's quickly take a look at what we have. So we have e-business, e-marketing. This is making money online. We have cooking, which is probably a good niche as well, because I see in a lot of cooking videos and they have a lot of views, almost all of them that at least are recommended to me. We have, so I would just skip these. I would look at cooking, making money online. I would go into health and fitness, right? Home and garden is also interesting. There's a lot of interesting things that people are doing when it comes to home and garden. Languages, and then we have self-help as well, and we have travel. Sports is another one, and we also have the pets niche, right? So the pets niche, sometimes it's gonna be somewhere inside. So it may be, it's gonna be inside home and garden because we have animal care and pets. So any of these, they have really good offers, right? So if we go into home and garden, animal and pets, and we rank them by gravity in descending order, we have brain training for dogs. It has a gravity of 100. So this is a very popular product. It's selling very, very well. It's actually, you can even say kind of a hot product because it's a gravity over 100. And so that means you can promote this product. You're going to be making money if you want to go into that niche. If you want to go into health and fitness, you can do the same thing. You sort it by gravity, and now you're seeing gravity 445, 293, and all of these offers, keto diet, flat belly tonic, you can promote on a channel such as this RKN Fitness, right? So this guy right here, I don't even know if he has any offers that he's doing. He's not promoting anything. He just has Instagram and Facebook. He's not really doing affiliate marketing. And so that's just how it is. He could be making a lot more money, but he's not at the moment. And that is where you're coming in, because you're going to be making a lot more money because you're watching this video and you're getting new and improved knowledge. You're becoming your 2.0 with this knowledge that I am showing to you. And so that is kind of what we have here. And so once you kind of pick the niche that you want, right, you can even do food. So let's go back to shorts and let's say we have gadgets. Let's say cooking. Maybe there's cooking, something interesting. Here we have 32 million views, 1 million views, 500,000 views, 87,000 views. So cooking always gets a lot of views, right? You can do that, 32. And now we filter it out, 87,000, almost 500,000, more than 500,000, more than 500,000, a little bit less than 500,000. Look at this. Spaghetti, this guy is cooking for 439,000 views. You can ignore this one, 559,000 views. So it looks like a lot of these videos are getting an insane amount of views. Now, you may be thinking, like I said, do I have to make my own videos? No, you do not have to make your own videos. So once you thought about what kind of niche you want to focus on, and you looked at ClickBank and you see the various offers that you can promote, the next step is to start creating little videos. And you can do that using a really great tool called Canva. You can do them in pretty much any tool, but for beginners, people that want, really easy way to create videos, people that don't have much experience when it comes to creating content, I highly recommend Canva. And this is how you do it. You log into your account, you click on create a design, and you can type TikTok. Here, you can just use TikTok video template, or you can do mobile video. It's really up to you. It's the same thing. So if I click on mobile video, it creates this vertical type template for me. And now all I have to do, so as you can see, I have these frames here. So I can create 5 frames, right? And it's gonna go through each one of them, right? I can say, so let's say I have 5 frames and each one is gonna be 3 seconds. This means that my total time is going to be 15 seconds, 3 times 5. And that's a really good amount for a short. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here. I'm going to click 1, 2. I'm going to go here, 2 seconds. This is, I'm going to change this to 3 seconds real quick. We're going to do this together. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it very, very easily. So now we have 5 clips of 3 seconds. And now all you have to do is you have this Indian Independence Day. You have mobile videos, you can put videos, you can just drag and drop, you can create your own, right? You can just go into photos, right? You can do that, you can just drag and drop. Very simple, right? You can just simply drag and drop and do that. You can just right click and do set image as background. So now you have the 5th slide. I'm gonna go to the first slide, and now I'm gonna put, let's say, this girl here, right? Right click, set image as background, then I can put some text on it, right? I can just go into elements, and I can put more photos, I could put more recent lines and shapes. I can go into text here, and I can add a heading. So all I have to do is drag and drop, and I can put something. I can type something like "stay fit" or whatever, right? I can expand it. I can put it on the bottom. I can change the color. Let's say we want it to be white, right? Because the text is a little bit darker. I can make it maybe orange, maybe yellow, whatever. Typically, you probably want something light because this is a little bit darker. You can also do something like this. You can put a shape, right? You can just put a shape behind it. This is very, very popular. Something like this. And then the shape is going to be some kind of a darker color, right? So you can do something like this, right? Just expand it a little bit. This is a kind of a professional method. And you can go in here and you can make it kind of grayish, right? You can make it a little bit more transparent, maybe like 80%, and then you can put your color, and that's going to guarantee that your text is going to get displayed because the background is a little bit darker. You can even change this transparency a little bit. You can do lots and lots of interesting things, right? You can just go into your this thing here, right? You can just select it, change the transparency maybe to 85. So it's not as see-through, it's a little bit darker, put the text back. And now it's perfectly visible. So you can do that for all of them, right? You can put maybe this picture here, right click, set images background. You could put some text in here. And the other thing that you can do is you can just copy and paste, right? So I can just copy it and I can go in here and I can paste it. Okay, and I can just do the same thing. Maybe put another background if I want. Very nice. Just expand it here. Put it below like this, and I can change the color, right? I can change it maybe a grayish. Actually, I can make it even a light, maybe a dark blue, and I can change the transparency, something like this. And you have a lot of flexibility. That looks kind of cool, I guess. Something like this. You can maybe expand it, something, right? You can expand it just a little bit more, put it back, and now it looks even better. And you can align it. You can position it. You can say middle, you can say center, and it centers automatically. You can say the same thing with text, and now it's perfectly centered. Something like that. That looks decent. Okay, and you can do that for all of them, right? So we can quickly do that. And let's say there's more. Let's say, how about this guy right here? I'm gonna put this bodybuilder here. We're gonna set images background. We have him. And the last slide, we're gonna go in here and we are gonna put an image. So let's say, I don't know, we can pick any image we want. We can go into photos and let's say we want all of this. Let's say, I think there was a couple. So let's say this girl right here, right? Set images background and do the same thing. Now, once I'm done, right, I can play it, and this is how it's gonna play. Every frame is gonna be for 3 seconds, right? You're gonna put some text here and you have pretty much a movie that's done. And then all you have to do is go to download, and you're going to save as an MP4 video all pages, and you're going to hit download. It's going to compile it for you, all of these slides. Is going to put them together and create a movie out of it. And now it's going to be downloading, right? So it's compiling, it's finishing the compilation process. And now I just download this movie to my hard drive. Now I have it here. And so the next thing that you want to do is you want to go and create a YouTube channel. I would recommend, even if you have a YouTube channel, I would highly recommend creating a brand new one just for shorts in that niche. And so if you want to create a new shorts channel in a different niche, create another channel. That way it's all separate. And all you have to do is just Google create a new YouTube channel. You're going to go in here, you're going to read that. Once you create this channel, you're going to be at a dashboard. So I'm going to log into my dashboard just to show you what it looks like. And so here I am in my dashboard. And once you're done, you're going to go in here, create, and you're going to click on upload videos, and you're going to drag and drop the video that you created. So if I drag and drop it here, it's going to go ahead and upload it. And at this point, you are pretty much done. You have your first short there. People are going to see it. YouTube is going to start recommending it. As you can see, it's 16 seconds here. I can even play it here. And there you see the short being played on the YouTube's platform in my dashboard. And so once I publish it, once I go into visibility and I say this public, I set it to public, it's going to be available to everybody. Of course, I do not want to upload this specific short in my channel because my channel is about a completely different audience. It's in a completely different niche. But when you create a channel that's going to have all videos that are going to be very, very similar, the audience is going to expect that same type of content as time goes on. And that is why I recommend for you to go out and to create a specific channel for a specific niche of shorts. And that way it's going to be very, very consistent with what the audience expects. And so after you create your first short, don't just stop and throw in the towel. You have to create content on a regular basis. So maybe you decide you want to create a short every other day. Maybe you want to create once a week, once a month. Regardless of what you decide, pick a schedule and stick to it. And that way YouTube is going to take notice. They're going to start recommending you shorts more often. You're going to have more viewers. You're going to see more growth, and you're going to be making more money in that niche. Now, after you upload that short, you're going to have your description here. And this is where you can tell your viewers a little bit about what your short is about, as well as put your affiliate link there. So if you go back to ClickBank, once you pick an offer, and really if you're doing fitness or health, you can probably promote any of these offers that you want. It doesn't really matter. They're all gonna be working really, really well. You simply go into promote, you click that, and you're gonna get your affiliate link. You're gonna enter your account username. You're gonna click on generate hop link, and that's gonna give you your specific ClickBank username that you can put in your description area. And that way people will view the description and see what kind of interesting offers that you have, and maybe click on them and buy the product or service. So shorts are a very, very great method to make some extra money. They're a great, great method to build a brand, to build an audience, and to eventually promote to them various affiliate marketing offers. And that is all I have for you guys for today. Really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would highly appreciate a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this method. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet already. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next one.